world leader in ingredient solutions for healthier food and beverages. Tate Lyle makes cutting-edge ingredients that help reduce the sugar, calories and fat in our foods, increase the level of fibre and protein, while retaining the taste and texture that consumers want. Its excellence in manufacturing supports excellence in manufacturing of its customers across the food industry. With a global footprint, Tate & Lyle is a purpose-led company, driven by science and focused on excellence. This purpose ensures an agile supply chain and optimal service levels.
We have a continuous improvement program. We train our people on things such as white belt, green belt, black belts, and we are executing all sorts of improvement teams, so working together.
For Tate & Lyle, excellence in manufacturing is both an objective and an outcome. They do things differently here, using patented technology and processes designed by experienced engineers and food and ingredient specialists, collectively striving constantly for improvement.
We do that to reduce our costs, to make everything more efficient, even to make more product, or make things more reliable, easier to operate for our people, but also more reliable for our customers.
Koch, the Netherlands. This plant has been operational on the bank of the Zaan for over 150 years. Environmental stewardship is a foundation of the operation. All electricity used here is from renewable sources, and all waste is used beneficially. So behind these historic walls lies a very contemporary process. Central control is key. Production is managed and monitored in this room, from the intake of the core material, corn, to the output of ingredients used by food and beverage companies across the globe.
I think this plant can be really proud of itself, the way we've evolved over the last years into a specialized plant, doing all these specialized products like Claria and Prometer, serving the market. It's just great to be part of this team.
McIntosh, Alabama, USA. At the home of Tate & Lyle's zero-calorie sweetener sucralose, the team is celebrating another safe production milestone. Tate & Lyle's people are a highly skilled team with vast experience of working together safely using the company's manufacturing know-how. This plant, like all of the company's facilities, is constantly focused on increasing efficiency, reducing water consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, and energy use. It does this through continuous improvement and investment. Boleraz, Slovakia, the European home of Tate & Lyle's maltodextrin production. It's a different ingredient, but another exceptional process. Testing is a core part of the manufacturing process. Across its operations, Tate & Lyle focuses on ingredient purity and traceability, delivering certainty for customers. With its focus on ingredient production, founded in process development and improvement, environmental stewardship and safety, purity and traceability, as well as its exceptional cooperation with customers, Tate & Lyle delivers excellence in manufacturing, not just for itself, but for all it supplies.